Hey!
Hey, hey.
Welcome to the Alps! Finally we managed to get here after 7 days in the Black Forest, Schwarzwald. We are blessed with a good weather, so we are going with the cable car and then whoa, up very there. We need to take 2 cable cars, which costs 23 euro if we take, each. So 46 euros per total. To one part of the mountain it costs 18 euro per person, but if you combine with the second one for 23. So let's go to the cable car. So we start from here. This is the first cable car that costs only 18 euros. This is the one 9 euro, but if you combine them two, it's 23. Luckily, Marky realized that he is not yet there with the hiking on these steep rocks, so he agreed to sit down in the Brevi. It's our test now to kill 1 hour and a half, no, actually a half an hour to the hut and have a beautiful view from there and maybe even fly the drone. We didn't sit down in the Hütte because it was very full, and to be honest the prices were pretty okay. For a beer you need to pay 3.8 euros, and we decided to descend a little bit towards halfway to find a bench where there is sun, Marky maybe can sleep, and where I can fly the drone. Decided that we're not gonna take the cable car down there. Yeah, that's a big massive machine over there, and go down to the first cable car. We're gonna make a circle that goes down by the I forgot the name of this big peak. Yeah, cannot say it, doesn't matter. So let's go on a hike. It's supposed to be a 1 hour hike, and I think it's gonna be nice because we're going downwards, so it won't be that difficult, but bad for the knees. Yeah. And we hope that this little guy will fall asleep because he needs to. Let's go. Already, and now we're about to board the cable car, so hopefully he will continue sleeping. I don't think so.
€4 bitte.
Danke. €4 for the best beer in the world. And the day is over. Boss mama is happy, boss baby is happy, and we are done. And we go home now to our camping site, which is very close by, like 600 meters walk from the gondola where it stops. And yeah, we have 5 days here to kill. Tomorrow probably we're gonna go to Pfronten to explore and see the Neuschwein, something like that, the beautiful castle, white castle that is Neuschwein, the one that inspired Disney for the Castle of Beauty and the Beast. And yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.